Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention please? Our opening ceremony is about to begin. Attention to all the participants. We invite you to rename your Zoom ID using the following format. Room number _ your Zoom ID. The operator won't be able to assign you to your room. And please mute the audio device upon joining the conference to avoid disturbance. Please open your web camera and use IceMind 2020 virtual background during the conference. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to IceMind 2020. We proudly present the third International Conference on Earth Science, Mineral, and Energy, IceMind 2020. This is an annual conference for sharing knowledge and research about petroleum and geothermal engineering, mining and metallurgy engineering, geology, geophysics, geomatics, geochemistry, disaster management, and environmental issues. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we hold this conference online. Theme for this year is Challenge and Opportunities of Mineral and Energy Exploration, Exploitation, and Extraction to Improve Economic Growth. It's being a great honor for me, Weka Pradana, and I will be your master at ceremony for this conference. To be here and welcome each and every one of you in IceMind 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, this meeting will provide you plenty of opportunities to discuss, share knowledge and insight. Before we proceed in the program today, we would like to express our sincere gratitude to His Excellencies, Director of Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, Dr. Muhammad Irhas Effendi, MS. The Honorable Dean of Faculty of Mineral and Technology, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, Indonesia, Dr. Sutarto. The Honorable speakers from Department of Petroleum Engineering, University Technology Petronas Malaysia, Dr. Ismail Muhammad B. Said. The Honorable speakers from PT Freeport Indonesia, Dr. Clyde Lees. The Honorable speaker from Department of Environmental Engineering, National Cheng Kung University, Taiwan, Professor Chang Chi-hua. The Honorable speaker from Department of Mining Engineering, China University of Mining and Technology, Professor Zhang Jixiao. The Honorable speaker from Department of Geophysics, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, Dr. Suharsono. The Honorable, our moderator from Department of Petroleum Engineering, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, Dr. Suranto. The Honorable, our moderator from Department of Geological Engineering, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, Dr. C. Prastyadi. The Honorable, our sponsor, PT Studio Mineral Batubara, PT Riung Mitra Lestari, PT Pertamina EP, PT Pertamina Persero, ExxonMobil Cepu, and all distinguished participants. On this special occasion, we have several agenda, so allow me to read several sequences of our agenda. The first agenda is opening, and the second is national anthem. And the third agenda is Faculty of Mineral and Technology profile. And the fourth agenda is speeches. And the fifth is plenary session 1. And the sixth agenda is break. And the seventh is plenary session 2. And the eighth agenda is lunch and pray. And the ninth is parallel session 1. And the 10th agenda is break. And the 11th is parallel session 2. And the last session is closing ceremony. We would like to thank all sponsors who have contributed to this event. We hope that this collaboration will always be well maintained. This conference organized by Faculty of Mineral Technology, UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. This conference supported by Faculty of Earths and Energy Technology, University of Trisakti, Forkopindo, CUMT, and XUSD. This conference sponsored by PT Pertamina Persero, PT Pertamina EP, PT Riung Mitra Lestari, ExxonMobil Cepu, PT Studio Mineral Batubara, and Studi Center of Mineral and Energy UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. Please follow ExxonMobil Indonesia's social media account on Instagram, ExxonMobil_ID, and Twitter at ExxonMobil_ID to get the last update and developments from ExxonMobil operation activities in Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, the next agenda is National Anthem Indonesia Raya. For the committee, the time is yours.
Cita-cita yang mulia, Indonesia makmur dan sentosa. Walau berbagai suku dan agama, ragam budaya serta golongan, satu untuk semua, semua untuk satu. Jaya Indonesia ku tercinta, persatuan dan kesatuan, negara Republik Indonesia. Undang-Undang Dasar 45, Pancasila dasar negara. Seluruh rakyat wajib bela negara, songsong hari esok makmur sejahtera. Bangunlah seluruh bangsa Indonesia, hadapi tantangan dan cobaan. Raihlah cita-cita yang mulia, Indonesia makmur dan sentosa. Walau berbagai suku dan agama, ragam budaya serta golongan, satu untuk semua, semua untuk satu. Jaya Indonesia ku tercinta, persatuan dan kesatuan, negara Republik Indonesia. Undang-Undang Dasar 45, Pancasila dasar negara.
The honorable distinguished speakers, participant delegates, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to present to you profile faculty of Mineral and Technology for this conference. For the committee, time is yours.
How wonderful our majestic motherland is. With the natural wealth lies in scenery as far as the eye can see, store up all potential and high quality energy. A great challenge to explore and process our own motherland for our nation and state to flourish. This is where I am formed. Become a superior, reliable, and professional development pioneer in various fields. As a great duty in presenting new energy to continue moving on to grow. This is the place where the tradition of science becomes strong, which brings creativity and innovation to not stop. An institution of education and research of science, geotechnology, with national insights, with international quality. I am aware for the development of human resources as a key to Indonesia's economic future. Human resources that are advanced, professional, believe in God Almighty, responsible, disciplined, creative, have a struggle spirit, national insight, and caring for community welfare. I found what I was looking for here, in an environment that continues to beat the best heart of this country to achieve dreams and hopes. With the best educators to dedicate, get their knowledge to print the future generation of the nation. Inspiration, motivation, and the determination to be the spirit in every movement. The spirit is not just to grow, but also to achieve. Achievement is my promise. Promises that I wish to make it happen in variety of superior works that gave us proud moment when looking high to our beloved alma maters. When the challenge is ranging the area, where the dangers and risks are ready in front of us, I dedicate my whole soul for a professionalism for the future. Being in a dynamic environment with a strong-ended academic tradition, making me more confident in taking on every challenge. Empiric experience becoming my strength to face the real industrial world.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Faculty of Mineral Technology, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta. Faculty of Mineral Technology is one of the oldest faculty at Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, managing geology, geophysics, geomatic, mining, petroleum, metallurgy, and environment engineering study programs. This faculty focus on the education of earth science, energy and mineral resources, both exploration and extraction, without neglecting natural conservation and environment aspects. Our faculty vision is to be higher education and research institution in the field of earth science, resilience of energy and mineral resources with environmental and global insight based on the spirit of national defense. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This is where I am exactly where I am supposed to be. Home for the past generation from all over the country to contribute developing science and technology for the progress of the nation.
Excellencies, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we would like to invite welcoming speech as Chief of the 3rd International Conference on Earth Science, Mineral, and Energy 2020. For Mr. Dr. Teddy Agung Cahyadi, the time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome all of you in the opening ceremony of the 3rd International Conference of Earth Science, Mineral and Energy, ISMEN 2020, which organized by Faculty of Mineral Technology, UPN Veteran Yogyakarta, supported by Faculty of Earth and Energy Technology, University of Trisakti, Forkopindo, CUMT, XUST, and sponsored by PT Pertamina Persero, PT Pertamina EP, PT Riung Mitra Lestari, Exxon Mobil Cepu, PT Studio Mineral Batubara, and Study Center of Mineral and Energy UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. We proudly present this event as part of a series of the 62nd Disnatalis of UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. This year, the 3rd ISMEN proudly presents the theme of Challenges and Opportunity of Mineral and Energy Exploration, Exploitation, and Extraction to Improve Economic Growth. More than 100 presenters from 7 universities from 7 countries, Indonesia, Canada, Taiwan, New Zealand, Japan, China, and Malaysia participate in this conference. All of these accepted papers that will be presented today are intended to publishing proceeding in the IEP Publishing as a Scopus Index publisher. The best paper of each sub-theme and selected paper will have a chance to be published in the Scopus Index journal. This year, the authors who participate of this conference are coming of several universities and companies such as UPN Veteran Yogyakarta, McGill University, Canada, China University Mining and Technology, University of Trisakti, National Cheng Kung University, Taiwan, PT Eksplorasi Nusa Jaya, Sion University Science and Technology, ITB, PLN, University of Indonesia, University of Diponegoro, University of Hasanuddin, Lapan, Akita University, and etc. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation to committee members, authors, participants, reviewers, editors, and particular our honorable speakers. All of them have been working with us since the beginning of the planning stage, and they are still here today for all of us. I truly appreciate for your dedication. Finally, please share your knowledge and experience in this virtual conference, and we hope that this virtual event will not diminish the quality and our knowledge transfer among the authors and audience. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for Mr. Dr. Teddy Agung Cahyadi for the welcoming speech. It is now my deep pleasure to introduce Director of Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta, His Excellencies Dr. Muhammad Irhas Effendi MS, to deliver opening speech, and afterward, we would like to request Director of Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta to officially open the third International Conference on Earth Science, Mineral, and Energy, ICEMAN 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Rektor of Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to all of you. I will greet with an honor Dean of Faculty of Mineral Technology UPN Veteran Yogyakarta, Dr. Sutarto, Dean of School of Mines, China University of Mining and Technology, Professor Jiang Jixiang, the representative of Xi'an University of Science and Technology, Prof. Chai Jing, the Vice Dean of Faculty of Earth and Energy Technology, University of Trisakti, Dr. Fajar Hindrasto, the Head of Forkomindo, Association of Indonesian Mining Engineering Department, Dr. Engineer Safrisal, and the Chairman of the third ICEMAN 2020, Dr. Teddy Agung Cahyadi. I also would greet the honorable invited speaker, Dr. Suarsono from Geophysics Engineering Department, Faculty of Mineral Technology UPN Veteran Yogyakarta, Professor Jiang Jixiang from Mining Department, China University of Mining and Technology, Associate Professor Chang Jihua from Environmental Engineering Department, National Cheng Kung University, Taiwan, Dr. Clyde Leis from PT Eksplorasi Nusa Jaya, and Associate Professor Ismail Muhammad Said from Department of Petroleum Engineering, University Technology Petronas, as well as our distinguished invited guests, the Head of Department of Faculty of Mineral Technology, Head of International Affairs, UPN Veteran Yogyakarta, authors, participants, and the media partners, and the sponsor of this event, PT Pertamina Persero, PT Pertamina EP, PT Riung Mitra Lestari, ExxonMobil Cepu, PT Studio Mineral Batubara, and Study Center of Mineral and Energy UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. Ladies and gentlemen, UPN Veteran Yogyakarta has 5 faculties, including Faculty of Mineral Technology. Faculty of Mineral Technology is the biggest faculty in UPN Veteran Yogyakarta that organize 5 departments, which are Geological Engineering, Mining Engineering, Petroleum Engineering, Geophysical Engineering, and Environmental Engineering. No, UPN is a state university. We have to work faster or run to catch up to other state universities and increase the quantity papers through the international conference. Signed 2006, Faculty of Mineral Technology Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta annually hold a national or international conference on earth science, mineral and energy. Last year, Faculty of Mineral had the second international conference that published the paper in the proceeding indexes by Scopus. This year, the third international conference on earth science, mineral and energy 2020 brought up the theme challenges and opportunities of mineral and energy exploration, exploitation and extraction to improve economic growth. Collaborated with Forkomindo, China Mining University of Technology, Xinjiang University of Science and Technology, and Faculty of Earth, Technology and Energy, University of Trisakti. This event is part of series of the 62nd Dies Natalis of UPN Veteran Yogyakarta. Indonesia has abundant natural resources including renewable and non-renewable. The utilization of natural resources needs to be adjusted with the area development as well as control enhancement by implementing regulation. Energy sector activities should be done with the concept of environmental sustainability starting from exploration, exploitation until extraction to support the economic growth and development worldwide. This concept could preserve the energy resources for the future. As COVID-19 has been infecting some regions, excluding Indonesia, the third international conference of Earth Science, Mineral and Energy 2020 will be held virtually. I hope this condition will not diminish the quality of the knowledge transfer among the authors and audience. Finally, I officially open this conference by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I wish this conference will be a great opportunity for us to share our knowledge and experiences as well as enhance the research network and collaboration among us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That was a great speech from Rektor Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta. Thank you. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, now we come to our main program, Plenary Session 1, who will be led by our moderator, Dr. Suranto. First of all, allow me to introduce our moderator, Dr. Suranto. He is professor from Department of Petroleum Engineering, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta. Ladies and gentlemen, our first speaker is Dr. Ismail Mohbi Said from Department of Petroleum Engineering, University Technology Petronas, Malaysia. Our second speaker is Dr. Clyde Lees from PT Freeport, Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, they are our moderator and speakers, and time is yours.